Can switching to salt alternatives help cut stroke risk? Can it reduce the risk of my health issues that are related to salt consumption? Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Hope you are all doing great. Well, talking about salt, people have different taste buds, like some are sweet tooths, some are savory. If you ask me, I am a big time salty food lover. Who can resist those small round salty biscuits with holes in them? Well, I'm craving for some right now. If you want to know why biscuits have holes in it, go and check out our other videos on the channel. Now let's move on to today's topic. Well, all the food that we eat on a daily basis has a large amount of salt in it. Well, salt substitute reduces the risk of stroke and major cardiovascular event in certain people. Also, switching to salt substitute decreased stroke risk by 14%. The salt substitute and stroke study was conducted in 21,000 people with a history of stroke or high blood pressure in rural China, with half of them using lower sodium salt substitute instead of regular salt. Results shows that after 5 years, those using the salt substitute had a 14% reduction in stroke, a 13% reduction in major cardiovascular events, and 12% reduction in death. These benefits were achieved without any apparent adverse effects. The way the body manages sodium and potassium and their association with blood pressure is highly consistent across different populations. Also, almost everyone, with the exception of a few people with serious kidney disease, should be avoiding salt or switching to a salt substitute and expect to see some of benefits from this. So I am replacing the salt bottle with a substitute today. Tell me in the comment section what you think about cutting out salt and replacing it with substitute. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.